Welcome to the Hillbilly RV channel. Today we are on the very low Greenbrier River. We have not had much rain this summer and the Greenbrier River is getting really low. This nice lady called this morning and she has a Lippert Edge electric awning. We had some storms come through last night, yesterday evening, and she was rolling the awning in like a responsible RV owner. I don't know what all y'all do, but she was trying to roll it in before the storms got here, so rain or the wind didn't take her awning off, and it went that far and stopped. No noise, no nothing, no clicks, no nothing. She checked her fuses just like she should. Everything looked good, but she called me. She said, I need to get it in. And I said, well, we may not be able to fix it today, but we can definitely get it in. So I'm gonna try to diagnose it and see what's wrong. That way, if we need to order in parts, we can get those next time she comes up to her river lot. We can fix this thing up and finish it up. So let me grab my multimeter, run up the ladder. Well, I'll crawl very slowly. And let's do some checking, see if we're getting power out here to that motor right there. I've never worked on an Edge before. The other Lippert awnings would have a plug for the motor right here. We could unplug it, test, make sure it's getting power. Maybe there's a plug up inside this cover. I don't know. I think, sure don't feel like it, but there should be a, maybe there's not a screw in there. Maybe it just snaps on. Got to get this cover off, see if there's a plug for the electrical.
Did you push that button in there?
No, that's a rubber plug. There we go. Was no screw in there. There's a place for one. Ah, there's her plug. They hide it up in there. All right, just unplug that connector, get my meter out, put it on the DC scale. I'm gonna have the customer here in just a minute go in and push the button, and we're gonna see if we're getting power out here. Is it right inside the door there?
Yeah.
Okay. Not gonna be able to set the meter up so y'all can see it, so you're just gonna have to trust me. All right, go ahead and push it one way. Alrighty, go the other way. Go the way you went the first time. All right, go the other way. Huh.
Nothing?
I got power one way, but not the other way. Push the button the way you did it first, just for a second. I want to see if the awning goes out.
Nothing.
Nothing. Go the other way.
Nothing.
Really? Well, that's really odd. Hang out there just a minute, please. Huh. Let's do that again. Push the button one way. Oh, okay. All right, go the other direction. Okay. All right. You can come out. All right. I don't know if you can see that or not, but yes. Now that was odd. When I put my meter, when I put my leads in one way, I was reading negative 12.5 volts, and when she pushed the button the other way, nothing. When I actually reversed my leads and she pushed the button, I got a positive 12.5 volts one direction and nothing the other. I don't know, they've done something weird with the switch, but we are getting power to the motor. Motor no worky. So we're gonna have to get this thing in manually, and we're gonna have to order a motor. And then we'll have to come back and fix it. I'm gonna go ahead and just put this back together. And I'm gonna, there actually was a screw in there, but it had stripped out. Or it was too short or something. There's a rubber plug. It's a good time to show you this. There's a rubber plug in this cover right here. Pull out, and once this cover's on here, which I'm gonna put it back on, we reach down in there with a socket and a drill, and we can move this awning in and out with a drill. We are going to probably run it out. We'll run it in, make sure to go in first. Looks like it's gonna run in okay. We'll run it out because the information tag is on the awning tube, probably on that end, and the awning has to be all the way out to get the info toward parts. Yeah, it's awesome. I will put this cover back on in a minute. I'm not gonna do it right now. So just easier to get to this. Let me show you real quick what we're gonna be turning with the drill. Right there. Now if the cover's on there, you just pull that rubber plug out, reach right in there with a drill socket and your drill, and you just twist that nut right there, and it runs the awning in and out. So let me go grab looks like a 7/16 socket, put it on my drill, on my Milwaukee M18. We'll see how this works. All right, I think y'all can hear me. Let's just make sure it'll go in. Let's see which direction we need to go. Oh yeah, it's just incredibly slow. But like I said, I need to get it out so I can get some information. So let's do that. That's real-time speed. Doing it with the drill ain't fast, but it's effective. Let me get it all the way out, and then I'll bring y'all, sorry, bumped you, bring y'all back. I got my information, just in case you ever need to know. There's the tag I was looking for. It gives us our model, serial number, all that. So, let me run this thing in, and then we'll see about getting some parts. I will speed this video up for you. Well, alright, I hope you enjoyed that. I got all the information I need. I got a picture of the tag on the arms also, just in case. I'm gonna go up there and pop that cover back on, and we'll get our motor ordered, motor gearbox that comes together, and see how incredibly expensive those things are now. And then we'll be back to fix it. I'll probably do a video. So won't y'all probably do something? Get down in that comment section, leave me a comment, criticism, concern. Probably gonna go up the road and fix another one, and y'all have a fantastic day.